Today I'm going to be reviewing Hiearcool USB-C hub, USB-C multi-port adapter. It's going to work with anything with a C adapter. You just plug it in there. This is what it's got. And by the way, the outside is aluminum, although these ends here, the black parts, those are plastic. We've got the SD card reader, the TF reader, which is just a smaller version. And as you can see here, we've got USB 3.0, we got two of those. So that blue there, if you ever see that, that's USB 3.0. Those are always backwards compatible to 2.0s. You'll be able to use older devices like your mouse or anything in there. But if you're buying these, you definitely want to make sure you're getting the USB 3.0. Higher data transfer, you're definitely going to want that. Right there is the PD input if you want to be able to power devices that are plugged in here through your USB 3.0s or anything like that. You can charge once that does have to be plugged in additionally. And then over here, you've got the HDMI. Pretty standard. It works when you plug it in. It will power on. As far as size, this is a normal pair of scissors, so you get an idea of how big it is. The cord's pretty rigid, so I don't think that'll be a problem over long term, but it's not very long, as you can see. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.